Hi there, today we're going to be learning the intro to You Give Love a Bad Name by Bon Jovi, and it goes like this. Okay, so we're playing from the C minor pentatonic. Then we start with a bend on string G at fret number 10, and then play it again at neutral, and then a single note on fret number 8, so we have... Okay, and then we're back to the same bend. This time we play it and we bring it back down, back to the same note on fret number 8, and then onto your root note on the D string at fret number 10. So far we've got... And then two single notes in the middle. We have 8 to 10 on the D string. Okay, so now we have... And then we're pretty much going to restart. We have the bend on fret number 10 of the G, single note on number 8, and then this time it's almost the same lick, but we're going to do a pull off in the middle. Okay, so bend on number 10, pull off to number 8, and then we're going to play the root note on the D string fret 10. Okay, you're going to make that pretty quick and fluid. Okay, so we should so far have the first half of the lick, so we go... Okay, second time round we're going to do all exactly the same stuff, but it's just going to cut off sooner, so we're just going to have... We'll just leave that last note ringing. And that's it. Let me know how you get on in the comments section, and I'll see you again next time.